Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this Makeup Obsession Honey Lust palette. I did a Revolution haul not long ago, so I'll link that in the description box and you can see all the things that I got. And then quite a few people commented in the description box that they wanted like a video on this palette. So I got mine from the Revolution's website and I think it was like £12. Obviously I got like a discount on top of that. Make sure you install the extension called Honey. It searches the web and finds you a discount code, so I got about 15% off this. I also got cash back on it and I think I knocked some of my Revolution rewards off it as well, so it was like, you know, hat trick. So Revolution rewards is like something you can sign up to. It's like a, you know, like a Boots card for Revolution. You get points for whatever you spend and then you can just like knock a £5 or a £10 off your order. So that's what I did when I was buying those things. So you can buy this from Boots as well, and it's in the green parcels, which means it's 3 for 2. I feel like it's a little bit cheaper at Boots though. I feel like it's £10, which is a little bit weird that they're not the same price. So you can either order it from Boots, which is a little bit cheaper, or you can get it from Revolution and then get a discount on all the other bonuses. So, you know, it's up to you which one you want to use. I'd say this is like roughly around like the size of a Morphe palette, and there's the same kind of shades in there as well. There's 35 colours in there, which is just like Morphe, so that's just for like a size comparison. When I was looking at this I was like, right, okay, what kind of look do I want to do with it? You've got like loads of neutrals in this palette, but then you've got that poppy yellow, you've got some purples in there. So I think I'm going to do like a warm kind of crease look, but then I might do something with like these purples, and I like the look of this gold. But then when I was looking at it, I've also noticed like this forest green, so I think like the more you look at it, the more you see like some really good colour schemes in here. So I'm going to put my base on now and then I will zoom you in. Okay, so the base that I'm using today is the Revolution. It's called the Ultimate Eye base, and that is in the shade Light, because I like to use Revolution light bases when I'm using their products. I just feel like they go well together really, and you're trying out their products, so you might as well give it the fairest test that you can. Okay, so I need like a crease colour first to go in with, so I'm going to use like this light shade up here. So that's that neutral colour down. I'm actually going to go in with this orange next, just because I like the look of that, and I'm sure like on the colour wheel, orange and purple are like opposite each other, which means they complement each other. Don't quote me on that. So yeah, I'm going to put that one in the crease now. Actually doing the other eye off camera, I did actually want to check what I've just said about the colour wheel, and then looking at it on here, like purple and orange aren't exactly opposite, so yeah, what I'm saying was rubbish. Purple is like more opposite to like yellow. Okay, so the orange is done. It actually blended out really nice, that orange colour. So I want to put some brown in there now. So this I think is like one of the darkest browns here. There's like, this is a purple and this is more like of a grey. I didn't really want to bring grey into the look, and I think that's the darkest brown. There's a burgundy here, but again I don't want to pull burgundy into it, so I'm going to use that brown. Yeah, and then we'll cut the crease afterwards. just cut my crease now, and I feel like I've just forgotten about like what I said at the beginning, so I wanted to use like the purples and that gold. So what I'm gonna do, I don't know how it's gonna look, is I'm gonna use that purple like going towards like the outer part of the eye, and then I'm gonna use the gold on the inner part of the eye. I don't know how well that's gonna go. It might look absolutely rubbish, but you know, we'll give it a go. It's like the gold and the purple on. Now the purple did take a little bit more to build up, but that gold was like amazing. The like you can look at it in the pan, like I made a little bit of a mess with it. It's really soft and quite flaky as well, but like if you're quite like if you take your time with it and you're quite precise, it looks alright, you know. Like I did have some of it down my face, but it's fine, I've just wiped it off. But I wish like they'd make a palette like just filled with like these crumbly like ultra like metallic shimmery shades, because like that one was like so much better than this one, and I can't see any other colours like that formula. It was really good. I can't wait to try that all over my eyes. Really, it'll be an absolutely lovely colour. So now I'm just going to go back and put some of that brown over like the join between the purple. I'll put some liner and lashes and then I'll come back. Okay, so I've put these lashes on by Fern McCann. So these are the Palermo Passion lashes, and these are meant to be natural. They're not natural for me, I can tell you that, because these look really full, to the point where I feel like it even covers up like the really nice purple and gold that we've done. Anyway, we're going to move on to the lower lash line now, and I'm like, right, okay, like what do we want to do? And I don't want to bring in like another colour. Like there's some really fun pops like yellow, and I actually just spotted like this one, but I don't want to do anything like really, you know, out there and take anything away from that like purple and gold. So I'm just going to use this kind of like pinky mauve colour and put that one under the lower lash line. Thought we were done, and then I realised we need to do like an inner corner, and I'm running out of like brushes, so I'm having to use like this little Spectrum one. I have brushes, they're not clean. So they've got like two colours that we could use for the inner corner highlight. We've got this here, which is more like a champagne colour, and then this like is a lighter kind of gold, but I'd say it's got like more of a green undertone to it, so I think I will go with this one. Inner corner shade done. Yeah, it's nice, but yeah, it's alright. Not like my favourite inner corner shade that I've ever used. So yeah, that's the palette. I think all around like it's a good solid palette. I mean, when I first looked at it, I was like, oh, it's like quite a warm palette with some pops of colours, and then kind of the more I look at it, the more I see like kind of differences. Like you've got some rose golds and some pinks in here, you've got that amazing gold shade, you've got purples, you've got greens, like, so I think there's quite a bit you can do with it. I think like it'd be really nice as one of them palettes where you can chuck a crease colour in, and then you could put like a green as an all over lid shade and just, you know, leave it quite bare. So yeah, it's quite a nice little palette. I do like it. I like the look that I've created. I'm just not sure about them lashes. So thanks for watching today. I'm going to leave some videos for you to watch in my description box. Oh wait, I'm going to leave you with swatches now, of course. So I will see you again shortly. Bye. Okay, so here are the swatches. Like, I couldn't swatch all of them just because, like, there were 35 in the palette and I would be here forever, but I think there's like 14 swatches here, so there's like a good amount. Like, have a look at those foils at the beginning, like how pretty are those. This purple at the end, this one here, and also like this murky colour here, didn't swatch that well, but these two brights like did really well. But yeah, there's like a mix in this palette. Like, some of them swatched amazingly. There were only like the odd duds, but yeah, overall pretty good.